Hello everyone, welcome back to my series. We are going to learn how to set our host machine and the guest machine which is installed in the VirtualBox. So in order to enable this feature, firstly we have to uh, install something where we have to go to the devices, and in devices here this is insert guest additions cd image. Click on this. I will get this dialog box, and if we do not have already downloaded this file, we have to click on download, and this will look for the VirtualBox guest additions drivers on the internet and automatically download it. So let's wait for it to complete the downloading. It has to click on download. Okay, now the downloading is done. Now to click on insert this optical drive